we're going to do a tour of Visual Studio Code, the editor. So let's go ahead, fire it up, and we see the default window here. Go ahead, make it full screen or larger. So that's the starting, the welcome page. From here we can see our Explorer pane, which allows us to file manage and open folders and open our workspace, which is more important. We then have our editor tab. In Explorer we also have extensions and debug tools on the sidebar. And we have a terminal. This allows us to run terminal commands within the environment itself. So we'll go ahead, we'll open a workspace. We'll fire here, and this opens the editor in a workspace. This gives us our working directory. So if we open a terminal, we open in that directory. So go ahead, open main.c. We can also create a second file. Just name it second.c, and that allows us this sort of editor pane where our code's edited. It's just a text editor. We can do split editing, so we can have side-by-side files open, editing on them. And we just type our commands here. So from there, because we've got a main.c, we can also compile directly from the terminal here. So open our debug, our developer command prompt. There we go. And we can compile our C programs from here. The old command was cl -o for output, the name of the output file, and the name of your input file, which would be main.c. You no longer need to do all this, but it still works. But O has been depreciated and will be removed in future releases. So go ahead and we just do it cl, and it's actually just main.c, and that'll compile main.exe. There we go. It's there, and we can execute that from the terminal command prompt. We've got hello world. Let's go ahead and prove that that actually updates when we compile a new one. We'll update our code. Save it. Remember to save it, and recompile it. So replace main.exe now. Run it again. There we go. From there, our editors are quite handy in that if you've not saved the file, there's a dot up here where the close button is. So if you've seen the dot, you've not saved it. If you've not saved it, you can't compile the new code. From the Explorer tab, we can have full file management. We can create folders, create files, etc.